Hello friends, welcome to Famous Tech. This is Oppo F11 Pro smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can turn off camera shutter sound in your phone Oppo F11 Pro. First of all, open camera in your phone. Click here for camera and listen to the sound. If you want to turn off the sound, go to camera again and click on settings icon here. Now click on shutter sound option. Just turn on that button. If you want to have this sound, again turn on that button, shutter sound. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos. Until then, take care. Bye.